Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from ThruNite. Now this here is their Archer Mini. Now I was sent this by ThruNite directly. They wanted me to test and review this light. Comes in this box. So let's wait no further. Let's open this up, see what's in. Get one Type-C charging cable. Comes in handy. One user manual. And let me find the English version. Try to straighten this out here. And there's the chart here. Looks like 405 lumens on the highest output. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause the screen. Otherwise, we're going to get moving along here. I like to fold these for later reference. Once I got it on the right language, makes it a lot easier to reference it, especially when I'm doing behind the scenes testing on the light. Now let's go ahead and take a look here at the light. There it is. Got your two-way clip here, so you can put this on a baseball cap or on the side of your jacket. Very nice for hands-free use. Got the tail clicky. Now the style and design on this is nice. I'm not seeing any issues. Feels pretty rugged. Smooth body. Very compact. And you can remove this clip if you don't want it. And the machining and finish on this is very nice. No issues whatsoever. Done a lot of reviews for ThruNite over the years. This is not a rubber switch, it is of a plastic design here. Now let's go ahead and take a look here. Special optics. Now behind this is the Lumens SST20 LED. Now normally I would take this light all apart, show you the battery, springs, etc. But you don't have to on this. It's a sealed unit. But I will now show you where the charging port is. And as you can see right there, sealed off, no water's going to get in there. Nice and tight. Easy to charge on the go. So now let's go through the UI. UI is pretty straightforward. One click turns it on. 18 lumens. Double click, get you 405 lumens. Show you the beam here. Kind of a large hot spot there, a little bit of bleeding around the edge. Pretty bright, especially for its size. Triple click will get you strobe. And that is a constant rate on the flash. One click turns it back from there to the last light output that you had it on. It always comes on the lowest setting. Double click, triple click. So pretty straightforward on the UI, nothing difficult. And it's got a nice beam performance on here. Very nice build quality, what you would expect from ThruNite. So no issues there as well. So let's go ahead and take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the ThruNite Archer Mini. Let's go and get started. Water spout, 38 feet from where I'm standing. Nice beam, large hotspot, tapering spill. There it is on the fence. Now this is the lowest setting. A lot of light coming out of here. You know, impressive for a little light like this. 65 feet there, making that. And we'll come over here and give you an idea how this looks as far as the range of the beam. Sometimes these farther scenes at night are hard to see. Now we're going to go ahead and go to the next level here, see how it does. There we go. A lot of light coming out of this little keychain size light. Definitely good for everyday carry. "138 feet from this little light here. 10, 15 years ago, you'd never think that that was possible. It is making it across the park. Wow. 65 feet to this tree here. Got some eyes over there looking at me. Oh boy. Do a beam profile here. Can't believe how much light is coming out of this little light, and for its size. Now it did cycle down a little bit, so I'm going to do it again on the lower setting. And it's the highest setting again. Now it is cold out here, but I don't think that really has any bearing on how long this will stay on. But anything helps. Very nice ThruNite on this light, the Archer Mini. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Impressive beam. It doesn't have a super amount of throw, but definitely within 150 feet, you've got some usable beam, light output, and the type of beam that this is actually is impressive, especially for its size. And run times are pretty good here. It will step down on the highest output, of course, down to I believe 157 lumens, and that's still a lot of light for a little compact EDC light like this. Now, some people may not like the fact that the battery is sealed in the unit, and I tend to agree with that on some aspects, because a lot of these batteries, especially these smaller ones, their battery and cycle life is about 250 times, and that's my experience using the smaller little AAAs. Now, if this was a nickel metal hydride battery, of course you're going to get more cycles, to 500, 600, but this here with these lithium cells definitely is something I wish that ThruNite had made it to where we could just simply take it, swap out another battery if needed, especially if you're carrying it and you're needing more runtime. Once this is depleted, you got to take it off, charge it up before you can use it again. So that could be a con for some people. Now, if you're carrying this for everyday carry, carrying it in your pocket, I don't see any issues. You're not going to use it that much anyways. For emergency use, I see no difference. Now, these are great for emergencies. Someone that doesn't use the light very often, they have it next to their bed. Pretty nice. Easy on the UI. So I'm not seeing any issues with this. Okay. Well, I want to thank ThruNite for sending me this Archer Mini to review. Now, if this is something you're interested in getting, I will leave a link down in the description to where you can get this. I'm also looking to get a discount code. Not sure what the pricing is on this at the moment, but if I'm able to get that, I'm going to put that there with the link, and that'll help you save some money on this, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these little ThruNite flashlights to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.